Hey teachers, I'm going to show you how to easily adjust the view settings for student names in your PowerTeacher Pro gradebook to help you transfer grades. Let's get started. GradeTransferer has a flexible name matching algorithm that helps you transfer grades from your LMS, educational website, or spreadsheet into PowerSchool. However, sometimes student names appear very differently between the two gradebooks, and a quick adjustment needs to be made so you can successfully transfer the grades. If students have their middle names or middle initials visible in the gradebook where you are grabbing the data, you'll want the student information to show up the same way in PowerTeacher Pro. You can do this by navigating to your display settings under the settings area of PowerSchool, and then find the name area, and you can adjust your selection to display the same type of information that you have in your grabbing gradebook. From there, the transfer should work seamlessly. If your LMS has non-name information attached to student names, you can remove that using GradeTransferer's pattern remover feature, which is found under the advanced settings. And if the transfer isn't working perfectly for particular students who have other name matching issues, such as a typo or a nickname, you can set up individual matching rules in the name discrepancy fixer. And both of these features have their own support videos to walk you through it. If this video helped you, share it with a fellow teacher so they can save time and avoid typos too. That's all for now. Happy transferring.